circle.
Operation Military Kids, it's a statewide, maybe even a nationwide program, and 4-H is partnered with it. They will be giving a holiday party for any military families that the parents are deployed. And they're looking for teams to help out. There's going to be crafts, food, games, I don't know what all else. And
Take off your face, cat.
It will be good community service, and you can also apply for a stipend, which they will process it immediately with different work. You can qualify for it.
and it's an all-day event. I think it starts at 8:30 in the morning and goes till 4:30. Paul had signed up, but unfortunately his first track meeting is
This Saturday.
Saturday. This Saturday. It is this Saturday. So anybody interested in coming to Randy and I after the meeting, or give Kelly Allison a call.
Okay. 4-H Teen Council meeting,
she no longer hates me.
15th at 7:30 for 4-H and 8th grade and up. I know a couple of